व्यूवर आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है इंट्रोडक्शन टू कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज। चलते हैं टॉपिक की तरफ। उससे पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कर दें। इंट्रोडक्शन। प्रोग्राम लैंग्वेज इज़ वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट डोमेन ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। Palladium, the choice of the program language is the critical for the success of IT application. This unit describes different type of programming language and generation of the performing language. The concept of compiler, interpreter, and links is also explained. Object: understand basic concept of computer language, familiar with the domain of high level and low level language, differentiate between compiler, interpreter, and linker, have knowledge about different generation of programming language of their characteristic. Programming language. A computer cannot perform any operation at its own. It requires some instructions. A perform a task. The computer execute these instructions in a sequence and perform the required job. Now the question is how to formulate the instruction that a computer can understand. The instruction are formulated according to a pre-defined format and that perform is based on the syntax and uh, semantics of a programming language. A computer language is a artificial language used for writing instruction or program. The computer language is also known as a programming language. A programming language provides a way of giving instruction to the computer. It is used to communicate and give command to a computer. Computer program. A program is set of command and instruction given to computer to perform a task. A program instruct the computer to perform the task and produce the required result. The computer executes these instruction and gives the desired output. A person who writes a program for compute is known as software programmer. This process of writing set of instruction is a computer language called programming. The purpose of programming is to create a set of instructions that computer can understand and execute to perform explicit operation in order to produce the desired results. Type of programming language. There is a large number of programming languages developed by different organizations, and each language has its own character and scope. These the computer language are divided into two broad categories. They are low level language, high level language. Low level language. Low level language is a language that comprises of instructions directly understood by the computer. These languages are considered, considered to be closer to computer programs and instructions written in low level language are directly executable on the computing hardware without any instruction. Interpretation or translation. There are low level language perform run very quickly and use very small memory. There are two kinds of low-level language. They are machine language, assembly language, machine language. Machine language is the fundamental language of the computer. Originally, computer the programs were written in machine language, and the machine language was the only language for the computer to use while giving instruction. आज तक इतना ही, नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं.